Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add an Instagram profile link to TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the TikTok app. Tap on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to the bottom right and tap on your profile. Okay. Tap on it. Now, in here, as you can see here, I have here my bio that has a link as well. And here we have my YouTube. Now we're going to add Instagram. Now, how do we do that? Just go ahead and tap on edit profile. Okay. Tap on it. Now in here, go ahead over to links. Okay. You're going to want to tap on the arrow right here besides link. Tap on it. And as you can see here, Instagram is available. You have YouTube and Twitter as well. Okay. Just go ahead and tap on add besides Instagram. Tap on it. All right. Now in here, just go ahead and select the account where you want it to be tied on your TikTok. All right. And once done, you're good to go. Right. That's basically how you do it. Just go ahead and tap on back. And as you can see here, same as YouTube, your link will be in here. And when you go ahead over to your profile, it will show under your bio. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.